Today we are here to launch bursaries for Form 1 and Form 2 worth 66 billion. As we agreed with the MPs to be giving bursaries for Form 3 and Form 4. We came in as our government 2013 and we deliberated with the former governor and decided that our people are too poor. Most of them are in day schools, and even if it's a national government function, we have to intervene because it's we who knows where the stone pinches. That's why we are doing the national government function. We are reducing on bursaries. Next year we'll be giving only Form 2 because Form 1 will not be there. And that balance we go to VCT and ECD. We have also scholarship programs which are 751 students. This was my initiative because we realized there are some very, very poor students. Even if you give them a bursary, it will not assist them. And some have been called to national schools coming in Cambodia, and as far as Alliance. So we thought of setting up a system of supporting them so that we don't diminish their chances of passing. So going forward, we'll be increasing the scholarship fund as we exceed bursaries. And our major priority will now shift to vocational training and ECD. Recently, we signed with a company and an organization called Tenet to support us nurture young kids. The total was 0 years to 1,000 years. To say from conception to mwana ika miaka tatu. Abuno a brain whatever fastest. And if he misses nutrition, he will be a slow learner forever. But if he is well nurtured, we have a population in the mirror of sharp students. Therefore, we'll be focusing on that aspect of ECD. As students, and as you know, once kids get it right in nursery also, they will never fail an exam. Even if you take him into a day school, you is a A student, will get A. Therefore, we are addressing that issue. Vocational training. Because of unemployment, we are getting some students even dropping out of university to come into diploma courses. Like now, medical courses, people are running away from Kenya because of better opportunities. Like now, last year we employed 40, and they have gone out over 60. Therefore, it means very soon, within a month or so, we are advertising for medical jobs. And the way the education system is now, you can start with a certificate, do diploma, do degree, do masters, and a PhD. So, I'm encouraging parents to advise their kids to sort of search their minds what they need in their lives. Because you in Chile, or corrosion degree anthropology, open is in no water degree, that's stay here. Lakini ya course nero correct diploma, kwa nyoye gazi kuwenyeti. Ilo, mmanyo maanai. And also, even going out of the country is not a solution, because we train people, they go out, they should remain here to develop our country. But because of unemployment, it's better they go, earn something, and they meet home. And if you look at the general situation, it's that people who have skills in the developed world, they are paid 3 times than people working in formal jobs in banks and offices. Therefore, Kiromondo, Amanye, Kiawadwa Isomana, and the Tagaravana, Tomaya Givatageta. To a sort of Amosia, we say, okay, you're the tongue of a doctor. Maybe no Montoro, Movakora, Manivata, and Dr. Kiara. You're the tongue engineer. It's good to be ambitious, but also listen to the kids. Mwana Mahanaba, the Yapanina, Wata Ravana, Nako Yomba, and Muratwalo Wamatovia, Yara, or Telereka Moko engaged. So, because of that unemployment, we are going to put a lot of efforts, particularly on 27 VCTs, which have already been approved, to make sure that the material for teaching, they have good staff, so that they can do the examination and pass. And in the future, we'll be encouraging attachments. I think if we support attachments, it will be a good thing for them, because Kazi ya mkono, you cannot read a book only. A book is an eye opener. If you get attachment somewhere for 1 year, you can be able to perform. That line will be stressing on it very much. Ilo, aso mwenye nata angwano mwenye, wata yara awana wa Chelsea, ane mwata issue, don't call them up, much mato teri. Mato teri kera na wana, I've set up ICT center guy. It was any time this month. We have another 35 at the time. I give us Omega Asi, the Korokwa outsourcing. Every 3 weeks, the patching Ayasa. You know, after 12 months, to a somebody around over 400, back on your child's directed care, go to arrange your computer. Nabao Kaligasi is going to as in Yinga. You are seeing Tara reaching Yinga. The Somi Alana, Wakare, Kiasiam Mugarela. Your Mario Anafonsi. Wale tunasaidia sisi tunamaliza pande yetu. Juu yenu mfanye bidii. Na mchue hata wale wako kwa scholarship. Mtoto ukipatikana na indiscipline, tunakutoa hiyo mpango straight away. Kwa sababu unasaidiwa na wewe ujijui. Kwa hivyo sisi tumeweka tuko na mbinu. Hatuwezi lipa next installment kabla hujaona report card. Hiyo ndio tunafanya. Tunaweka watu, maafisa wetu wanatembelea shule, wanaona performance ya mtoto huyu inaendelea. Lakini iko kama nirudie, kama iko kesi ya indiscipline, we discontinue. Kwa sababu hii pesa ni ya wananchi, hatutaki ucheze na pesa ya wananchi. Kwa hayo mengi na wachache, asanteni sana.